Hi, this is Ronald Adolph and welcome to Spring MVC. Spring MVC is a module of the Spring framework that leverages the Model View Controller Design Pattern, also known as MVC. And in fact, it combines all the advantages of the MVC design pattern with the convenience of Spring. In this course, we'll use Spring Tool Suite to build a student database application to create and maintain student records. Throughout the process, we'll cover topics as they relate to Spring MVC. We'll start off with an overview of the project and move on to topics that include configuring the database, using Maven to handle dependencies, an in-depth discussion of the Model View Controller. And as we build our application, we'll cover how to handle creating records, reading student records, updating those records, deleting the records, and some more relevant information. But before we get started, there are a few things you need to know, so let's go ahead and jump into that first. Now, before we get started with this course, there's a few things that you need to know. The first is a basic understanding of the Java programming language. And specifically for this course, you'll want to have a decent understanding of what dependency injection is. Now, because we're going to be using Java, you'll also need to have the JDK installed, in addition to the IDE that we're going to be using, which is Spring Tool Suite. The JDK that you need to install can be downloaded from here, and Spring Tool Suite can be downloaded from here.